Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Solve. Today I will show you how to fix Gemini. So let's get started. First, start a new chat. If only one conversation shows your 1076, that chat may be corrupted or may have exceeded processing limits. Then reload the page. If it is not fixed, you can try changing your model. If it still does not work, then clear the cache. Click on this icon. Then select Cookies and Site Data. Click on Manage Site Data and Device. Then click the trash icon for Gemini. Click Done and reload the page. If it still does not work, you can use Gemini in Incognito mode. To open Incognito mode, click on the three dots, then click New Incognito Window and type gemini.google.com. If it still does not work again, click on the three dots, open Extensions, then click Manage Extensions and remove all extensions. That's it. If this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.